Hi students, this is Krishna. Welcome back to video classes. In the previous video, we learned about some statements of integers, addition and subtraction of integers. In this video, we will do some problems from exercise 1.1. Now, in exercise 1.1, first one is following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. You just go through the number line. Srinagar, Lahul Spit, Shimla, Ooty, Bangalore, etc. They are at different places on the number line. Observe the number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So, here the integers are in descending order. If you start from left to right, towards right, minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5, 15, 25, etc., etc. They are on the decreasing order, increasing order, sorry. Now, here, what are the temperature of places? Means first, we'll start from Lahul Spit. Temperature of Lahul Spit. Temperature. Temperature of Lahul Spit is equal to how much? It is in between minus 5 and minus 10. Count it. So minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Therefore, the temperature of Lahul Spit is minus 8 degrees centigrade. So now next one is Srinagar. What is the temperature of Srinagar? So here also you mark it 0, where it is 0, 1, minus 2. Its temperature is minus 2 degrees centigrade. Minus 2 degrees centigrade. Next, Shimla. Temperature of Shimla. Shimla. Shimla is equal to how much? It is exactly at 5 degrees centigrade. That is 5 degrees centigrade. So like that, temperature of Ooty. Ooty is equal to 10 after. It covers 11, 12, 13, 14 degrees centigrade plus 14 degrees centigrade. Like that, temperature of Bangalore is equal to, so 20 after covers 21, 22. So its temperature is plus 22 degrees centigrade. So this is the temperature of different places marked in it. Now the second one is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places among the above? So if you observe the order, it is in ascending order. Therefore, it is very easy to write the hottest and coldest. Now write the temperature. Hottest place. T-E-S-T. Simply write hottest place. Hottest place, which is, what is the hottest place here? Bangalore, that is plus 22 degrees centigrade. And the coldest place, that is equal to minus 8 degrees centigrade. So here he is asking the difference. Difference means we have to subtract the temperatures. Therefore, difference in temperatures, that is equal to, when you subtract the whole numbers are integers, always will write the higher one. Here the what is the highest one? 22 plus 22. Therefore 22 degrees centigrade minus half minus 8 degrees centigrade. As you know that in subtraction we will write the additive inverse of the integers to be subtracted. Here minus 8 is subtracted. So you write what is the additive inverse of minus 8? Plus 8. And you add this additive inverse to the first one. Now this minus becomes plus. Now 22 degrees centigrade plus 8 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 30 degrees centigrade. Therefore the difference in temperatures is equal to how much? 30 degrees centigrade. Now come to the third one. What is the difference between Lahul Spit and Srinagar? Lahul Spit, as you know that it is the, what is that, lowest temperature place. Therefore the temperature of Lahul Spit is good. Write the temperature of Lahul Spit is equal to how much? Minus 8 degrees centigrade. And what is the temperature of Srinagar? Temperature of, you observe the number line. By using that one only we can write the temperatures. Now here also he is asking the difference between the Lahul Spit and Srinagar. To find the difference out of these two integers, which one is the greater integer? Minus 2 or minus 8? Obviously minus 2 is the greatest integer. Why? Because it is on the number line. Therefore difference in temperatures is equal to minus 2, this is the higher integer, minus of minus 8 degrees centigrade, which is equal to, as you know that subtraction means additive inverse. So which integer? Minus 8 is to be subtracted. Therefore minus 8 becomes plus 8 degrees centigrade. Usually we omit the plus sign. Now you add this additive inverse to the previous one, that is minus 2 degrees centigrade. That is equal to minus 2 degrees centigrade plus 8 degrees centigrade, which is equal to, so here the signs are different. When two signs are different, if the signs are different, you subtract the numbers. 8 minus 2, 6. Now you put the higher value sign. What is the higher value sign? Ignore the signs. 8 is the higher value. Therefore the plus 6 degrees centigrade, or we can write it as 6 degrees centigrade. This is the difference in temperatures. If we come to the fourth one, that is can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? And next one is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Here also you write that, first you write the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, and then you add these two. Why? Because taken together it shows the addition of these two temperatures. Now let me write the temperature of Srinagar. How much? Temperature of Srinagar is equal to, you observe the number line, go to the number line, minus 2 degrees centigrade. And same temperature of, what is the next one? Shimla, which is equal to plus 5 degrees centigrade. Here if you taken these two temperatures together means plus. That means total temperature is equal to, or sum of the temperatures is equal to total temperature of both cities is equal to, add it, minus 2 degrees centigrade plus 5 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 3 degrees centigrade. This is the total temperature of both cities. Now, one more. Is this temperature, this 3 degrees centigrade, is this temperature less than the temperature of Simla? So, how can you say these two? This one, on comparing 3 degrees and 5 degrees. As we know that 3 degrees is less than 5 degrees. Therefore, 3 degrees centigrade is less than 5 degrees centigrade on comparing. Now, second one. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Is it also, it means here it shows plus 3 degrees centigrade. It shows temperature of both cities. Is this 3 degrees also less than the temperature of Srinagar? And what is the temperature of Srinagar? Temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade. Now here also on comparing 3 degrees centigrade and minus 2 degrees centigrade. Here the first one is less than the temperature of Simla. Is less than the temperature of Simla means you should write it as yes. Here I forgotten. Therefore, yes, you write for the first one answer. Yes. Second one, is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? Now compare it. So that means 3 degrees centigrade is greater than minus 2 degrees centigrade. Now, is this 3 degrees less than the temperature of Srinagar? Obviously, no. It is not less than. It is greater than the temperature of Srinagar. So, next, we come to the second problem. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total score? Here, it is very clear that the marks given for correct answers is denoted by positive integers and the marks given for incorrect answers are denoted by negative integers. Just you write it as marks for correct answers is denoted by positive marks here, and marks for incorrect answers is denoted by negative sign. It is very clear. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Means, what is the score in 5 successive rounds? The score in 5 rounds is equal to score in 5 rounds is equal to how much? 25 in first round, minus 5 in second round, and in third round 10, and fourth round 15, and in sixth round 10 marks. Now the question is, what was his total at the end? What was his total at the end means you find the total. So therefore, total score is equal to, add the numbers. Here the numbers means these are all the integers, 25 plus of minus 10 plus of minus 5 plus of 15 plus 10, that is equal to, here these two are the negative integers and 25, 15 and 10 are the positive integers. Add them separately. So we know that sum of the two negative integers is negative and sum of the three positive integers is positive. Let me add the positive integers first. 25 plus 15 plus 10, which is equal to 25 plus 15, 40, 40 plus 10, 50 plus 50. Usually we omit the plus sign. Now come to the negative. Minus 10, minus 5. Sum of the two negative integers. We know that negative integer only. 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. Therefore, plus 15 minus 5, different signs of integers. We should subtract them as whole numbers. Now 50 minus 15, which is equal to 35. Here what is the higher value sign? Plus or minus? My plus sign, so plus 35. So this is the total score in 5 successive rounds of JAC. Now, so students, remaining exercise sums will continue in the next video class.